simplifying the journey from the deployment of data utilization to the production site DX. Data Flow Controller DX1. On production sites, initiatives for boosting OEE, improving quality, and reducing GHG emissions, as well as the expansion of AI, are increasing the demand for data utilization. However, 3 barriers are hindering effective data utilization due to factors including a shortage of IoT and data utilization talent. The first barrier is a lack of know-how to acquire the necessary data on the site, overflowing with various information, and to utilize the acquired data effectively. The second barrier is that the necessary data and indicators vary by equipment and worker, which requires considerable time to aggregate and analyze. The third barrier is that introducing a new data acquisition system requires equipment downtime, which makes organizations hesitate. Our Data Flow Controller can help overcome these 3 barriers and enable a simple start of data utilization on production sites. For wiring, the Data Flow Controller can connect simply with an Ethernet cable via a network hub. So, there is no need to rewire existing equipment. With the Flow Editor, you can design the sequence simply by connecting processing blocks with lines, requiring no expert programming skills. This enables data collection from devices, purpose-specific data analysis, and transmission to IT systems, all without programming. The built-in data collection and utilization tool and chart display tool are browser-based, so no installation is necessary. In addition, time series data can be collected from different devices across the production site. This helps understanding the situation and investigating a problem caused by linking the data and video. To facilitate the introduction of data utilization, we provide templates for key indicator data utilization as built-in packages. Using the devices specific to each package, you can automatically acquire and visualize data with minimal configuration. You can visualize everything from the entire factory to each equipment and device on the same timeline by integrating multiple packages. Thus, you can drill down and grasp the details from KPIs to on-site factors with less time to process data for reporting to management and analyze the root cause. To customize the packages, simply add data flow diagrams. You can also add advanced processing using Python, for example. The Data Flow Controller can be retrofitted to existing equipment. It can also connect to a PLC made by other manufacturers without altering existing equipment or control programs. Therefore, you can start data collection without equipment downtime.